If you are watching this video, meaning wala ka pang budget to enroll in our course, pero gusto mo nang mag-start ng digital products journey mo, no worries, I'll help you to start na walang nilalabas na pera. First, I will teach you on how to pick the right niche for digital products. The first thing is brainstorming your interests and skills. When choosing the right niche for digital products, ask yourself first kung ano nga ba yung passion mo, skills, and kung paano ito makakasolve ng problema ng iba. What are you passionate about? For example, passionate ka sa pagbabudget ng pera. Itong passion mo na to, pwede mong magamit to teach others how to budget, save, and kung paano ma-manage nila yung pera nila. What problems can you solve? Many people struggle with tracking their spending and nahihirapang mag-budget. Where is there overlap? Overlap refers to the intersection and combination of your passions, skills, and problem that you can solve. So kapag pinag-combine mo ito, pwede kang makapag-come up with an idea or niche mo na mapapadali yung buhay ng mga taong nahihirapang mag-budget. So, yung pwedeng maging niche mo dito is to create a monthly or annual budget spreadsheet where others can track and manage their bills, and as well as paano mag-set ng saving goals nila and organize sa pagbabudget. I'll give you top 5 successful niche digital product examples. Number 1 is online courses, printable planners, spreadsheet, ebooks, and templates. Siguro naman ngayon, may idea ka na kung ano yung magiging niche mo.
Proceed tayo kung paano kayo makakapag-create ng products using Canva. Open or install the Canva app, click the plus button, then choose the size that fits the template you want to create. You can also search for templates related to your niche. For example, you can search for budget spreadsheet and scroll down. Make sure you choose the template that doesn't have a crown or pro sign, since those are only available to Canva Pro subscribers. Pili ka lang ng pre-template. Once you select it, you can customize the fonts and colors of the template. After customizing your design, you can download it so it gets saved to your gallery. Kailangan natin ito kapag mag-upload na tayo ng products sa Rocket.ph. Go to your Rocket.ph and log in or sign up for an account. Once logged in, click the 3-dot button, then select Rocket. Choose My Rocket Shop and then click the Products button. Click Add New Product and start from scratch. Input the title of your digital product. Make sure to mark it as a digital download. Add a description for your product. You can choose ChatGPT to help write your description if needed. Once done, add an image. This can be the design you created in Canva. Then click here to upload the file that we downloaded from Canva. For the URL, go back to Canva and choose the template link. Once done, paste the link in the URL section. Finally, input the price of your digital product, for example, 100 pesos. Then click Save and Publish. And that's it. Congratulations, may digital product ka na. I will also explain the 3 types of links in Canva that you should know. The first one is template link. This gives rights to resell and rebrand the product, meaning people can copy and edit the template without altering the original work. The second one is public view link. This allows people to view the product, but they won't be able to edit it. The third and the last one is anyone with the link. Anyone with the link can make a copy, but once they edit it, it will affect your original work.
That's all for this video, and I hope you learned something useful.